guys, welcome back to my channel. So for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Anushka Kerkar and I hope you all are doing well. So you've read by the title and you kind of know what I'm doing, but still I will elaborate on it. I have chosen 7 color themes and I am going to be getting ready according to them. I have to create 7 looks, makeup wise, outfit wise, everything, I have made 7 chits and I'll be telling you what is there in that chit. I have to be creating looks for 7 days, 7 looks, 7 colors. Okay, because since it's a color theme, 7 colors. Okay, I'm not taking the rainbow colors. I have even added a twist to this challenge. So I have made chits over here and every day 7 chits are there. Every day I have to pick up 1 chit. So I'll tell you all what all is there in the chit. Okay, there are 4 colors that are yellow, pink, blue and black. Then there's one chit that says use 3 colors of the eyeshadow palette and create whichever your favorite look is. The 6th one is your go-to favorite look and the 7th one is a look with like glitter in it. This is my bare face. I haven't applied anything on my face. Also, a disclaimer for this video is I am not a pro at makeup at all. Let's get started with the video. I'm so excited. So I'm going to shuffle them and okay, this one. Okay, so the first shade that I've got, well, the first color that I've got is yellow. For day 1, we have yellow, so let's get started. Okay, so guys, the base of my face for every day's look is gonna be same. Again, this is no makeup tutorial. This is how I do my makeup. I don't even know if I'm doing it right or wrong. Look how pretty this palette is. I love it. I'm so fascinated by all the colors in this palette. I think I'll be using both the yellows. Guys, I'm finally done with the makeup. I've tried doing a graphic liner. I don't know how well have I succeeded. You all tell me in the comments. I kind of like this yellow look. So now I'm gonna go get ready and then show you all the final look. So guys, this is the final look. The look for day 1, which is yellow. I have just accessorized my outfit with these small hoop earrings and I've worn this tank top which is super cute and so comfortable, and I've worn this necklace which has a lock pendant. So don't forget to watch this entire video because I want to see all the look pictures at the end of this video. Also don't forward if you want to see how I got the look or how did I do the makeup. So guys, see you tomorrow for my second look. So guys, today is day 2. It's the next day. It's Sunday today. Without any talking, let's get on to the challenge. I'm going to again pick 1 chit. There are 6 left now and I've already done my base, so I have to only do the eye part and the outfit bit. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so today's color is pink. Let's get started. I've already done my base as I said, and now let's do something with the eyeshadow and go ahead. So I'm going to be using this palette as I told you all before. Oh, matching, huh? I have one more palette which has a nice, shimmer pink. So I think I'm going to use 2-3 shades. You'll come to know anyways what I'm using, and I'm going to create the look. So it's like a smoky eye kind of a look, but with using pink colors obviously. Guys, I'm really happy with today's look. I really like the way my makeup has turned out, especially the eye. I love it. See, let's go to the outfit bit. I can't wait to see how the pictures come out in this look. So guys, this is the final look with the top. I'm not going to accessorize much. I've just worn my simple earrings, that's it. And I thought of adding a cap to this look. So I had a pink color cap, ऐसा pink, but then I thought कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा pinky लग रहा है. Since I have white on my top, I can choose a white cap. The white cap looks so good. This look looks complete of mine now. Now I'll see you directly tomorrow. Again, stay tuned till the end of this video to see all the final pictures. So guys, today is the next day. Today is day 3 and let's see what do we get today. I'm gonna shuffle them and pick one. Okay. I'm really enjoying this challenge. Are you? Okay, so today's color theme is blue. Okay, now I haven't thought about anything with blue, but again, I'm gonna use the Revolutions palette. I'm gonna use the blue shade from that. I'm gonna go for the sky blue. So guys, I am done with today's makeup, and I don't know why today's makeup was very simple, very quick, yet it looks so nice. Like, this is the blue eyeshadow, and I put a black liner and extended it. I did the wings with a white pencil, like a white kajal from Maybelline. So now I'm gonna go change and come into my today's outfit, do my hair. So guys, this is my look for day 3, which is blue color. I've worn this blue color t-shirt which matches my eye color pretty much, and even the clips. So I've not worn any necklace because this already has a very pretty neck and I didn't want to spoil it. And I wore pearl earrings, very simple. I made these 2 ponytails and I put the clips here. So I'm so excited for all the other looks. Just keep enjoying, guys. I hope you like this video. So guys, this is day 4 for this video. Let's go ahead and pick our chit. So we have only 4 left, and let's see what do I get today. So today what I got in this chit is favorite look with any 3 colors from the palette. So guys, this is not a sponsored video, but as you know, I'm using this palette for almost all the looks. I think my favorite 3 colors would be these. So I think I'm going to be creating like a sunset kind of look today. I don't know how well this is going to go. Let's see what do I do, how do I do. तोड़ दिया मैंने? No. So guys, I'm done with this makeup. I like the way it has turned out. It's very nice and simple. It really looks nice. Now let me go and select an outfit what will match my makeup, and I'll be right back. Now you're gonna see me with the outfit. So guys, this is the final look. I have worn a shirt. So guys, don't get me wrong, this is not the color theme orange. I had to pick any 3 colors from the palette and create a look. So I chose the sunset look. It's a very simple, sober look. I think I like it. Today's look is very sober, and this challenge is not about transforming into a glam look. It's about creating looks. I have just changed the earrings and the makeup, the eye, a nude lipstick, this clip. I just twirled my hair here and kept it very simple. And the color of the shirt also is very nice. I don't know, I like this shirt really very much. I'm so excited still for the last 3 looks that I have left. Hey guys, so today is day 5, and no, I did not cut my hair. I'm sorry for the messy look today. Anyways, let's begin with the video directly. I talk too much now. Let's select one chit. So we have, I think, some simple hi hai thoda. I don't know. I'm a lucky girl because I got your favorite go-to look, which is the simplest of all. I'm not a person who applies makeup every day, but my favorite makeup go-to look, just one liner, thoda sa mascara, and a very light lip color. So I'll show you, this is my simple makeup, which is my favorite go-to makeup look. So let's get started. This is gonna be very short, so see, as I told you, it was a very simple look. And now I was thinking about what outfit to wear. So usually, if it's my go-to look, I wear a t-shirt and jeans. That is my outfit every day. Today I'm going to dress up a bit because I have another shoot to do. As I told you all, I love jackets so much. I like jackets, shirts. बहुत पसंद है. And that's the style going on, like jeans, crop top and jacket or a shirt on top. So I'm wearing that attire. So let's see the final look. I'm quite excited. So let's go. So guys, this is the final look. Today's look is very basic, very I've just worn a normal like tank top kind of thing. That's it. That's for the look, and a side partition. That's usually what I do. Either it's a middle partition or or a side partition. Usually I'm lazy to do all this, so it's a middle partition. But since the first look also had a middle partition, I said चलो थोड़ा different करने के लिए side कर लेते हैं. The look is still not complete. Actually, I'm going to add the jacket. So here you go. So guys, this is the final look. I'm wearing a very oversized corduroy shirt. Today I've worn jeans also. I usually do it in my home. Ki jo bhi what I'm wearing, pajamas or shorts. I'm wearing a crop top, my jacket, and that's it. That's the look for today. Now without wasting any time, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is day 6, which is our second last day. I'm very sad this challenge has come to an end because now, I've got the habit of getting ready literally every day. So we have our last 2 chits and let's see what we get, okay? Okay, so today's color is black. I have so many black outfits, but the makeup, I think I'm going to do a black smoky eye. For every dance performance of mine, I do black smoky eye, matlab golden and black. I think I'm going to go for that. That will look very nice. Though it's a thoda bold look, but I think we can do that. Okay, so let's go. So guys, this is the final makeup. I really like this look from the beginning. I'm doing this look from now 3-4 years. I know this look because for all our dance performances, all we do is a golden and black smoky eye and a red lipstick. Obviously on stage you need the loud eyes, the loud lips, so much of blush on your face, obviously, while performing on stage. But now I obviously putting red lipstick, I would have looked like a booth in front of the camera. So I put a very light nude shade only. See, today's theme is black and I'm wearing a black t-shirt also. Like, what a coincidence. I really like this look here. Now let's go and change and come into our final outfit. So guys, this is the final look for today for the color black. And I am loving this look because everything is favorite in my look. Okay, this eye look is one of my favorite. This clip, don't miss the earrings. I really love these earrings so much. They're from Shein. And this top, I love this top so much. I know I look like a bird, but I really love it. And it's one of my favorite black tops. And black is my favorite color. Like all colors one side, but black one side. I just feel like going for a party now because this is a party look. I just feel like just going, taking my bag and just getting out somewhere. Stay tuned till the end because I'm so excited to share the pictures with y'all. Also, I'm going to be posting a reel on Instagram, so stay tuned for that too. Now, all I can say is see you tomorrow for our last day. Hey guys, so today is the last day for this challenge. Today is day 7 and I'm really so sad because I was really enjoying creating looks every day. At least it used to keep me busy in this lockdown. Abhi kal se pata nahi kya karungi. I'll obviously make some other content, but I think this is so far I've really enjoyed this one, and today is day 7. So as you all know, the last shit is left. So the last chit says, create a look using glitter. I'm going to be creating a nice, glittery look. Also outfit I'll have to search because I don't think I have anything in glitter. I don't know, we'll make it work. So I'm going to be using this palette again for this look because it has so many lovely glitters and nude colors. So let's get started guys. I'm so sad this is the last day, but everything has to end. So let's start. So guys, I'm done with the makeup. I've kept it very glittery today. I'm doubtful if I get an outfit with glitter in it because I don't think I have any glittery outfit as such. But that's why what I did is I kept my makeup thoda more glittery. I've worn a gloss today and also the glitter eyes. I put a lot of highlighter and all तो कि थोड़ा चमके glitter तो लगे थोड़ा सा. So I am done with this look and now I'm just going to change my outfit, do my hair and be back. This is the last look. रोना आ रहा है मुझे, but it's okay. So let's go. So guys, this is the final look. I know I've not done quite well with this look, will be very honest with y'all. The theme was glitter, and I tried to put as much as glitter I could, but I think yeah, this has become more like the glowy look. Like I've worn this neon top, I've worn earrings. Towards the mirror, I'm seeing myself, and it's like, oh, dhoop. Because I'm glowing so much, like color is, this color is like so catchy to your eyes. So, and I wore rings today for a change. I've not worn rings from God knows how long. I wore some rings today. You let me know in the comment section which was your favorite. And now, for the favorite part, before I end this video, the most awaited part of this video, the looks, the pictures. Here you go, guys. I won't make you wait anymore. These are the pictures, and I'm so happy with the outcome. So that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and also stay tuned for a reel I'm going to post tomorrow on Instagram. Like the day you're watching this YouTube video, uske next day reel bhi aayegi. I enjoyed doing this challenge. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section which was your favorite look. Don't forget, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And ignore my makeup skills. I know they're not must be 100 out of 100, but I've tried my best what I could do. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. 1000k. Oh no, sorry, 1k subscribers soon. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to all of you. And that's it. I'm ending this video. बहुत बकबक करती हूँ मैं, बहुत बोलती हूँ, ठीक है? Anyways, चलो bye. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay home. And see you in my next video. Bye.